In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Proton VPN app. If you have been facing challenges with your app, maybe your app can't respond, it is not opening, or it keeps on crashing whenever you try to open it, let me show you how you can fix this problem on your Proton VPN app for once and for all. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now, there are quite a number of steps you can take for you to fix any problem related to your app. In the first method, you'll need to go ahead and access the app information page. Now for this, I'll go ahead and use settings, and then from settings, scroll until you find an option called apps. Now under apps, look for option called manage apps or all apps or more apps depending on your smartphone. For my case, I'm using a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. Now from here, go ahead and tap on manage apps or all apps, and this will go ahead and list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. From the lists, proceed and look for your app. As you can see, my Proton app is here. Alternatively, you can just search for your app using the search function on top here. Once you find it, go ahead and tap on it and it will take you to the app information page, and this is where we shall do our first troubleshooting. Now, if getting to this page is quite complex for you, then let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For that, just go back and then go ahead and look for your app, and then this time around, long press on it, choose the option called app info. If you tap on it, it will again take you to the same app information page. From here, we want to go ahead and clear the app data. And if I go ahead and tap on storage, you can see we have quite a number of data that has been stored by this app. And more especially, I'm interested in this cache data. When you talk of cache data, we are talking of small files that the app normally stores to enhance the user experience. The problem is, the more these files accumulate, they might cause your app to malfunction. To clear them, go ahead and tap on clear option that is down here, and then choose the option called clear cache, and then OK. And this will wipe out all the data that was under cache. At this point, go ahead and restart your smartphone and then open your Proton VPN app, and it should have fixed all the problems that you are experiencing. However, if this didn't solve your problem, then you may want to go ahead and clear now all the data by tapping on clear all data on the same page and then OK. From here, now try and open the app, and this should have fixed your problem. However, in case you're still experiencing the same problem, then proceed to the third and the last method, and that is looking for your app and then updating it either through Google Play Store or App Store. For my case, I'm using an Android smartphone, so I'll go ahead and look for Play Store and then look for the app. You can see my app is here. Look for any option called update. Should you see we have an update option here, it means you have been using an outdated version of Proton VPN app, and it might contain bugs that are causing the app to malfunction. Go ahead and tap on update to update it to the latest features or to the latest version to get the latest app that is working optimally. So that's how you troubleshoot and fix any problem related to your Proton VPN app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.